Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to personalize Mailchimp emails with Dear First Name. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the Campaigns section. Click on Campaigns, then select All Campaigns. From there, choose Create Campaign. This is where you'll start customizing your message. Next, select the type of email you want to design. For most cases, a regular email works best, but you can pick another format if needed. After that, click Design Email to open the email editor. Here, you can start building your email's layout and content. As you create your email, locate a text block where you'd like to add a personal touch. Click on the text block and then go to Code section, and here, type something like, "Dear Shax Finds, welcome to our newsletter." This is known as a merge tag, and it's how Mailchimp personalizes messages. When the email is sent, Mailchimp automatically replaces name with each subscriber's actual first name, making every message feel unique and friendly. Once you've added your merge tag, preview your email to make sure everything looks right. Click Preview and enter Preview mode to see exactly how your message will appear in your subscribers' inboxes. Before sending your campaign, it's always smart to test it. Click Send a Test Email to ensure that the first names populate correctly, and that's it. So that is how you can personalize Mailchimp emails with Dear First Name. So that's all for this video. Thanks.